Sadly, sometimes family members converge on a loved one's home shortly after that loved one has passed away in order to take or stake claim on certain items of personal property before another family member does. In this video, we're going to share with you popular and amicable ways heirs have managed to divide and distribute personal property in an estate. Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. On this program, we assist personal representatives and probate attorneys with estate real property. So if you are new here and you're interested in this type of content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's begin by defining the phrase personal property. Property that is movable. If the property is immovable, it is known as real property, such as houses, land, etc. All property that belonged to a deceased loved one is part of that loved one's estate and should be considered in evaluating that estate. Some of these estate items carry sentimental value to more than one family member. This creates the distribution of such personal property as a challenging matter. Money is personal property. However, money can be divided equally among heirs and beneficiaries. However, personal property items such as jewelry, artwork, paintings, furnishings, other items of personal property cannot be divided equally. Sometimes the deceased leaves a letter of intent itemizing what items of personal property are to go to whom. However, when that does not happen, here are the common ways heirs and beneficiaries have fairly and amicably divided items of personal property. This is probably the most common strategy. Use some kind of picking system. Place a bunch of numbers in a hat based on the number of heirs and or beneficiaries. Number one selects first. Go around the table. Go back around the table with a different numbering system until all the items are gone, or until all of the desired items are gone. Another strategy, you can give the most desired items a value, a monetary value, and whomever that's willing to pay the most amount of money for that particular item gets to buy that item from the estate. Another strategy is give color stickers to each and every individual and have them to place their colored stickers on a certain item. And the item that only has one color sticker on it, let that person have that item. Heirs and beneficiaries often make financial adjustments when items are of different values. You evaluate each and every item, and depending on the selection or election of one item, you make a financial adjustment with that particular heir and or beneficiary's inheritance. In the case of valuable family photos and or videos, that one's easy. You simply make copies of those items and distribute copies to each and every member of the family. With the aforementioned distribution strategies, most families have been able to fairly and amicably distribute and divide items of personal property in an estate. Question of the day: have you ever been an heir or a beneficiary in a probate estate? How were you able to amicably and fairly distribute the estate's personal property? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, you could always sell, donate, or give to charity those items of personal property that you were not able to distribute to family members or sell in some type of auction or estate sale. If you've gotten value from this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you have any questions for me, my contact information is in the description.